All of you yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, keep your videos on, mic off. Videos on, mic off.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I just now said that we are going to begin with sentences. And I have also revised the same thing, I think so, on last Friday. Have I explained you all what is sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start and end it up today. Let us go on the board. Mute yourself, or I have to mute everyone. Do you all understand what does the mute mean? Mute करिए अपने आप को. Please mute yourself. We have started revising it from the beginning. That is beginning of the whole portion of the grammar syllabus, so that we can just recapitulate, remember all the things once again. Many students have joined later. Many students have forgotten many things. So this is just a very, 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 very short kind of a recapitulation. Look at the board, please. Right? I just told you all, group of words with proper sense, right? Giving proper tense is known as sentence. Who will repeat the definition?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Avni.
Ma'am, can I read Janya Gohil?
Let Avni give me the definition first.
A group of words which make complete sense is called as a sentence.
True. But is it only enough?
Ma'am, please repeat what you said.
Is it enough? Only this much?
Ma'am, definition is this much.
Now let me make it a little bit more clear. You're in 5th class now. You're going to move ahead and how to describe it in a little bit deep manner. Group of words giving us proper sense is known as sentence. Very true. With proper tense. Tense means time. अगर आपको याद रखना है, if you want to remember the definition, you need to learn it. How you can do it? Group of words giving proper sense, right? With proper tense. What is tense? Tense means time. Tense means time. किसी भी काम का सही तरीके से होना या करना, right? If unless we describe it, we explain it properly, that is not a complete sentence. वो आधा अधूरा रह जाएगा. Okay, children? Got it? Am I clear? I said videos on, mic off. Videos on, mic off, children. Right? Now, we have how many types of sentences, Janya? Janya, how many types of sentences are there?
Ma'am, 6.
Prithvi. Achha. What are they?
Ma'am, a sand.
Bolo. Say.
Ma'am, can I tell Tithijan? Tense always.
Let her try first.
Ma'am, a sentence always being with capital letter.
Types, beta. Types of sentences. Types.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, four type
Ma'am.
of sentence. Ma'am, four type of sentences. Assertive, interrogative, exclamatory or imperative.
Okay. Tithi,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
मैम इसमें assertive के नीचे declarative ही है sentence, declarative sentence.
Say now. You just say. First,
मैम ऐसा मैम फर्स्ट है assertive sentence.
okay. Then,
Declarative sentence.
Declarative.
next,
Interrogative sentence.
next,
Exclamatory
sentence.
exclamatory sentences. Ma'am,
Imperative sentence.
now, how do you come to know that this any sentence is an exclamatory sentence? How do you come to know? कैसे पता चलता है आपको?
ma'am, they stay.
तिथि, एक सेकेंड.
Yes,
क्वेश्चन टू लब्धि.
मैम आपकी आवाज रुक रुक के आ रही है.
No, beta, I am there in the school and there is no problem.
yes,
Labdi,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
beta, can you tell me how do we come to know that which is exclamatory?
Ma'am, exclamatory ma'am. Exclamatory sign and that marked in the sentence and that must try for like wow, what a wonderful day.
Am I correct? Can you see the sign? आपको sign दिख रहा है? Can you see the sign on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the sign. How do we
Yes, ma'am.
sentence is an exclamatory with a sudden expression of words. The sudden expression of sentences is known as exclamatory. Now I come to interrogative. How do we come to know which is interrogative? Ashi?
Yes, ma'am.
How do we come to know which is interrogative?
Mom, they also command.
I have asked the question to Ashi, she will answer me. How do we come to know?
Ma'am, we will. Ma'am, command.
Those who want to answer, they can write their answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, command.
Command. Then what is this, beta? ये क्या है?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, question mark.
Ashi, beta, please let her answer. Ashi, what is this?
Question mark.
What is this?
Question mark.
Question mark. Question mark को हम दूसरे नाम से कैसे बुलाते हैं? How do we say it as? Interrogate करना.
Interrogative.
Interrogate. What I am doing to Ashi is interrogating. I am doing interrogation to Ashi. मैं आशी
Ma'am.
से पूछ रही हूँ. So this is interrogative. What is this? What is the
Interrogative. Ma'am.
What is this, children?
Question mark.
Question mark. इससे क्या पता चलता है? This is an interrogative type of sentence.
Sentence.
Clear? Very clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I come to declarative.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
अच्छा,
Ma'am,
let me clear one doubt, please. Arham, just a second, beta. हाँ, Arham.
yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आपको क्या समझ में नहीं आया? What have you not understood?
मैम जो आप अभी समझा रहे थे ना इंट्रोगेटिव का वही वाला मैम.
Which वाला? अच्छा, what is your name?
मैम आराम राकेचा.
Will you answer this way?
मैम माय नेम इज आराम राकेचा.
Perfect. मैंने क्या किया आपसे?
क्वेश्चन
पूछा. क्वेश्चन जब पूछते हैं तो कौन सा मार्क डालते हैं बेटा?
क्वेश्चन मार्क.
Perfect. So what I did is I interrogate you. मैंने आपसे सवाल जवाब किया. I have interrogated you. आई बात समझ में? I have interrogated you. मैंने आपसे सवाल जवाब किया. ठीक? आई बात समझ में?
ओके मैम.
Fine. Did you got my point? I asked you
यस
a
मैम.
question. So that is known as interrogative type of sentence.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, I have written in the chat box. Ma'am,
बेटा
answer.
बेटा सी, जब किसी को डाउट होता है ना, वो क्लियर करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए?
Yes, ma'am.
तो लेट मी क्लियर द डाउट फर्स्ट बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
नाउ आई कम टू डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. हु विल टेल मी व्हाट इज डिक्लेरेटिव?
मैम कैन आई.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait.
मैम कैन आई टेल.
Ma'am, can I tell Arav?
मैम कैन आई टेल. कैन आई टेल सुहानी.
Ma'am, can I tell?
I want the answer from Maulik. I want the answer from Maulik.
Yes, ma'am.
What do we mean by declarative?
Ma'am, declarative sentence means in the sentence with top mark and it declares sentence.
Is it very clear to everyone? I can see the answers in the chat box.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Labdi?
Ma'am,
Labdi? Labdi?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, in this sentence, they declare us.
I'm getting the correct answers in the chat box. I'm explaining it to you now.
मैम आई हैव सेड.
Listen, beta, listen. All are giving the correct answers. Yes, that is very true. Arav, Abni, all are giving the answers. I can see. Children, the sentence ends with a full stop. Correct. It states something. वो बता देता है. It is confirmed, declared. Right? I am a teacher. It is declared. मैं हूँ teacher. You are a student. It is declared that you are a student. 15th August is the Independence Day of India. It is declared. ठीक है? Are you getting me? So जो चीज clearly confirm है, simple clear statement with a full stop, that is known as declarative. Clear? Very clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the last.
Yes,
Assertive. Assertive.
Ma'am, declarative and assertive are the same.
Yes, that's why I'm saying. That's why I wrote it on the board. I wanted to see.
मैम इसीलिए मुझे डाउट हो रहा था।
Hmm.
Ma'am,
मैम मैं
ma'am,
बता रही थी
imperative
मैम का।
sentence will come.
Perfect, perfect. Now
Yes,
you all got
ma'am.
the As because this is the revision, I wanted to see whether you all remember or not. So declarative and assertive are the same sentence. What is left then?
Imperative sentence.
Imperative.
Imperative.
What is imperative sentence?
Ma'am, imperative sentence give a command or a request. They can end with a exclamatory mark or a full stop.
Not
Ma'am,
every time
suggestion also.
not every time exclamatory mark, but yes. Janya. Now,
Ma'am, imperative have a suggestion.
yes, imperative means request, suggestions. Okay, order. Got it? Got it? Now it is very clear what is a sentence, what are types of sentences.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see. I had a video.
यार,
Hmm.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt. Titian.
Wait.
Ma'am, the voice is so slow.
Mm-hmm. Wait,
Yes, ma'am.
wait, beta, wait.
And it's easy to remember too, because imperative sentences tell you what to do. Declarative, 4 types of sentences. Imperative, 4 types of sentences. Interrogative, 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory, 4 types.
कभी जल्दी आओ, तने गानू बताऊं। कभी जल्दी आओ, तने गानू बताऊं।
Imperative. Command. Interrogative. Exclamatory. Interrogative is in the form of a question like, are you suffering from indigestion? Let's have a say. Yes. And a question mark. Exclamatory always shows strong feeling like, there's a big Harry Potter on the ceiling. The thing that sets this sentence apart is that it always ends in an exclamation mark. Okay, kids, let's do some examples of each type of statement. Declarative. The sky is blue. Imperative. Pick up the shoe. Interrogative. Do you want fries with that? Exclamatory. I love my hat. Declarative. I like ice cream. Imperative. Don't be mean. Interrogative. What's your name? Exclamatory. We won the game. Declarative. 4 types of sentences. Imperative. 4 types of sentences. Interrogative. 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory. 4 types of sentences. Declarative. Imperative. Command. Exclamatory. Declarative. Imperative. Command. Interrogative. Exclamatory. Shout.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt, Tithi Jain.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
मैम आप ये वाला वीडियो पोर्टल में अपलोड कर दोगे?
You want to see this video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but right now I have to wait because I have lots of work to be done.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Now you tell me what is your doubt.
Ma'am, like, ma'am, sort of this state something means.
State something मतलब बता देना. I am a teacher. मैं एक टीचर हूँ. You are a student. आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं. There is a sun rises in the east. मुझे सबको पता है कि sun rise करता है east से ही. Confirm. The moon rises at the night. Moon night पे ही आता है. It is confirm. State बता रहा है. State मतलब छत्तीसगढ़, MP, महाराष्ट्र नहीं बेटा. बताने को state कहते हैं. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So whenever.
Ma'am, like, my mother works in a bank.
हाँ,
Ma'am, I said if
हाँ.
the doctor is in the.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am, I got it. I got it, ma'am.
Now, there is one exercise for you all. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a exercise where you have to differentiate. दो टुकड़ों में आपको बांटना है. Which one is the subject and which one is the predicate? जिसके
Yes,
बारे में
ma'am.
हम बात करते हैं that is the subject. जो भी हम बात करते हैं वो होता है predicate. For example, Avni is a decent girl. Avni is the subject. Decent girl is the predicate. Class 5th students are very nice. So class 5th is the subject. Very nice is the predicate. Everyone got it? आई बात समझ में सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
So get ready with a copy and a pen. Please copy down the exercise. Or you are having the mobile, so take the screenshot. I want this exercise in your copy itself.
Ma'am, I have taken screenshot.
बेटा फिर भी आपको लिखना चाहिए ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this much only?
You write down na beta 1 to 10 fast. Only 10 minutes are there. 9 minutes are there.
Ma'am, we can write in a grammar copy.
Yes, beta. So complete revision of all the types of sentences, how to convert, subject, predicate, sentences, everything is done. Okay. In next class, I will give you some like test worksheet.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Seven minutes left. Write it fast. Janya. Yes, done. All have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now check out the answers. Please underline the subject, circle the predicate. Underline the subject, circle the predicate. Do it.
Ma'am, done.
Check.
Yes, ma'am.
Subject, circle the predicate.
Yes, ma'am, done.
All have done. All the students in the class, all have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Take the screenshot. This is your homework.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done. I have taken.
Exercise number 2.
Ma'am, I
Your
have also.
homework.
અરે
Exercise,
ચૂપ રહો ને સંભળાઈ નથી દેતું મેમ શું બોલે છે
exercise number 2 is your homework, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Start writing the questions in the copy.
હે
Suhani,
Ma'am, Jamia is saying.
बूंद बूंद से क्या बन?
जान्या, म्यूट
मैम फर्स्ट वाला गलत है।
म्यूट कर दिया मैंने। यस मैम।
यू राइट इट डाउन। गलत है सही है वो मैं देखूंगी। यू राइट द क्वेश्चंस इन द कॉपी। Write the questions in the copy. Come on. Is it done? Those having the
Ma'am, I have
mobile,
completed.
short. Yes.
मैम me to complete. और मैम I have completed.
You have written in the copy?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, fine then. This will be a homework. Next class we will discuss.
Ma'am, answer. Checking. Ma'am, answer. Checking answer. Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम थोड़ा नीचे करिए ना।
No. Complete this fast.
Ma'am done. Ma'am done.
Okay, beta. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am.
Bye.